How choose a good health insurance plans? Anybody who has a health insurance policy will tell you that buying one in is one of the smartest financial decision by an earning individual. Now that you have decided to buy a health insurance policy, you need to know how to select a good health insurance plan that will you take care of all you needed. Here is a list of benefits any good health insurance plan should offer you. Protection against a large number of critical illness, flexibility to choose your health cover, no increase in premium during the policy terms even if your health condition changes, long policy terms that cover you need you even in your old age, largest hospital network for easy access to medical treatment. Should I buy a mediclaim plan or a critical illness insurance plan? A mediclaim plan with will either reimburse all your hospitalization experience or a settle the hospital bill via a cashless facility. With a critical illness insurance plan, you will receive a lump sum payout on the detection of a critical illness. You do not need have to be hospitalized for the same. If you are unable to work because of the illness, then you can use the amount of substitution for your monthly income. You can even use the money to cover experience for doctor visits, medicine purchase, medical test, or any other expense that might arise during this time. This is why you need both a mediclaim plan to cover your hospitalization expenses and a critical illness insurance plan to cover your loss of income and other expenses that arise due to an illness. For example, Harris a cancer medical cost approximately rupees 1 lakh to 1 lakh 10,000 for a via of 440 mg depending on the weight. A patient usually required 117-19 bottle for treatment over a year, that rupees 18 to 20 lakh just for the medicine. Then add hospitalization cost. Doctors are increasing every year. Most smart people have taken necessary precautions to ensure their health as soon as possible. Health insurance is a living benefit where you would need to monetize at the time of the dire need. One disease can drain out of all the savings you have made for your child education, married, for buying a house, or even retirement. You would not want family dreams to get insured policy when you are using your and healthy as you get older. Not only does your premium increase,